Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the active and passive. We can have an active sentence and a passive sentence in English. You usually will see active sentences. Like this video, right? Mark, that's my name. Mark made this video, right? We do, right? Like most sentences, we start with our subject, verb, object, right? And it's very easy to understand. Mark is the person who does this action to this, right? Mark made what? Mark made this video. Sometimes in an English grammar book, we'll use the word agent for the person who does the action. Mark made. Mark made. Active voice or an active sentence, okay? Now I'm going to switch it up. What if I don't care about Mark? Of course, that never happens, but pretend we want Mark to disappear. We don't care about the agent. Who made this video? I don't really care. Okay, so we can get rid of Mark by putting the emphasis or focus on the object, right? We can take this video and we can bring it to the beginning of the sentence and make this video the star. The video is important. In order to do that, we need to change the grammar a little bit. So here we had made, right, our action verb. This action verb made, we know it's in the past simple, right? There's our past simple. So when we change to passive voice, we have a new pattern. What we have to do is we have to use a be verb. You know be verbs like am, is, are, was, were, right? These kinds of be verbs, we have to choose the one that is past simple. So we're like, oh, past simple? I think these ones, right? For our be verbs, okay? And because we're talking about this video, one video, right? This video, we can think of it like it. This video was, right? It was. This video was. And then for our main verb, right? This was our past simple. We have to make sure this third one is in the past participle form, okay? Or I love to say PP, right? This video was made, right? Using the past participle form. If I want to say me, right? If I want to include the agent one more time, I can put him here at the very end of the sentence, but I don't have to. We put it at the end of the sentence because it's not important information. The important thing for this sentence is this video, right? This is the important part. So we've taken the agent, we've made him disappear, unless we want to add him at the end using by. If you need help for learning the past participle or any of this other grammar on the board, right? We will cover that in some other lessons, but I hope for you guys that this is a easy way for you to understand that difference between an active sentence where we know the person doing the action, right? And a passive sentence where the person doing the action is not important, okay? So as always, click subscribe, please like the video, and if you can, comment below using this grammar.